Hi, friends. I'm Buddy. Today, we are going to listen to my two best friends, Mia and Leo. Listen carefully and have fun.
Hi, Leo. Are you ready to play? Yes. I am so happy to see you. Me too. You are my best friend. You are my best friend too. What do you want to play first? Let's play with the ball. Okay, I will throw it to you. I will catch it. Ready, go. Great catch. Now throw it back to me. Here it comes. Catch it. Got it. Now you. Yay, I got it. I am thirsty. Do you have water? Yes, I have water. Here you go. Thank you, Mia. You're welcome. Friends share with friends. I have cookies too. Do you want one? Yes, please. Thank you, Leo. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's draw a picture together. Okay, what do you want to draw? I want to draw a house. I want to draw a sun. This is my house. It is red. This is my sun. It is yellow. We made this together. Our picture looks beautiful. Yes, it does. We make a good team. Mia, can I tell you a secret? Yes, you can tell me anything. I was a little sad today. Why were you sad? I missed my dog at home. That's okay. It is normal to miss someone. Thank you for listening, Mia. Friends always listen to each other. I feel happy now. Thank you. You're welcome, Leo. Do you want to build a tower? Yes, let's use the blocks. I will put this block on top. Now I will put 1, 2. Our tower is so tall. Oh no, it is falling. Oh my gosh. It's all broken now. That's okay. Let's build it again. Yes, let's try again together. I am hungry. Let's eat a snack. What do you have? I have an apple and crackers. Can I have some crackers? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. This is yummy. I'm glad you like it. It is getting late. I have to go home. Okay. I had so much fun today. Me too. You are a wonderful friend. You are a wonderful friend too. Bye. I will miss you. Me too.
Wow, what a fun day! Now let's repeat after Mia and Leo. Repeat each sentence with me.
Hi, Leo. Are you ready to play? You are my best friend. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Let's play with the ball. Let's play with the ball. Let's play with the ball. I will throw it to you. Thank you! Hooray! Let's draw a picture together. Yeah! It'll be so much fun! Hooray! We make a good team. Friends share with friends. You are a wonderful friend. You are a wonderful friend. You are a wonderful friend. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Question 1. What do Mia and Leo play with first? Question 2. What does Leo give Mia to share? Question 3. Why was Leo a little sad? Question 4. What happens to the tower? Question 5. What does Mia have for a snack?
Great job! Let's check your answers. You did amazing today. Let's watch Mia and Leo one more time before we say goodbye. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.